Welcome everyone. I'm glad to have you watching today's video. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare my oha leaf. It's a popular vegetable native to the Igbos in Nigeria. Oha leaf has the English name African rosewood plant. So this delicious soup can be enjoyed with fufu or eba. I will show you how I prepare today's own. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate. So let's start by introducing the ingredients. So here I have dry fish, they call it mangala, and stockfish. I have crayfish, salt, meat stock, and chicken stock. I also have my green pepper mixture. I will leave the link in the description box so you see how I prepared it. Yes, here I'll be using half habanero pepper, 1 onion. This is the ogiri. Ogiri is native Maggi, popularly known in Nigeria to bring spicy food up. Yes, it's very aromatic to the food. Yeah. Also here I have the tickner, achi. I will be blending them to use it to thicken this soup. You can as well use cocoyam to form the thickener. I have the shaki, the meat, the cow foot. I've already pre-cooked it. And here is the oha leaf. Did I mention the palm oil? Of course we have palm oil. So let us go cooking. Let's season the meat. To season the meat, I will be grating 1 onion and half habanero pepper. Yes, I'll grate them very well and add it or pour them to the pot of meat. I'll be adding salt, not all of them, the chicken stock, and also the meat stock. I like to mix them because I like the the taste of this of chicken stock and meat stock in my food, even though I'm not using chicken. So here is the mixture. I'm going to add it. It contains green pepper mixture, that is the bell pepper, the habanero pepper, and the sweet chili pepper, but all of them green in color. I also have ginger, garlic, and onions in it. So the mixture, the aroma only, let alone when you use it to cook, it is very nice. Since I started using it, I don't stop using it. When it's finished, I prepare another one. It's even nice because you can save it for a long time. So I will cover it and let it to steam. After 10 minutes, this is how it has sweat and it have bring out lots of water. I'll go ahead and stir it again, and I will add water to it to cook very well. Add water to the length of the meat. Yes, you can cover it with water, but to the length where the meat is, just add the water, cover it, stir it properly, and let it to cook for like 10 minutes again before I add the cow foot. But before then, let's wash the stockfish and the dry fish. Yes, add warm water or hot water. I am using warm water because I want to wash it immediately. I didn't have time, so I have to do everything fast. So I'll add the fish as well, because this fish in Nigeria is polished with red oil. And when you have the red oil, it have already gathered some dust. So you need to wash it properly. To the pot as well, I'll be adding the cow foot. The reason why I didn't add it earlier is because I don't want it to be very soft. When I am chewing it, I want to do a little job while chewing it. So I don't want to put it in my mouth and it's soft. So now every ingredients and the meat is ready to the pot. So I cover it. To the washings, I'm going to use this foam, the hard part of it, to wash very well. As I said, you have to wash it because you remove the oil, the dust, and also some particles, tea, and some fish worm that is inside. You don't need it. As you can see, they are floating on top of the water. Wash them very well. To the stockfish, I will do the same. As you can see, the stockfish is already getting clean. I am washing Mr. Head. Yeah. Throw the dirty water and bring another clean one. Continue washing. This time I'm going to open it. Tear it apart in smaller pieces and be careful because these stockfish have teeth and the teeth can be very dangerous. I will not come and get injured to okporoko that I did not kill. Oh, I am not the one that killed it, so I am just eating. So be careful when you are cleaning it so that you don't get hot. It's really very sharp, the teeth. I'll throw the what do they call that? They call it the poo. Yeah. They call it in okporoko. So I throw them away. I've washed everything very clean now. I'm going to add the stockfish to the soup, meat and the stock in there. Yeah. And cover again and continue washing my fish. You see the fish is now clean. I'm going to debone it. Remove the bone because these children, once they see bone, they will not like to eat again. Or they will say, "Mommy, there is too much bone." So removing every bone from it will make the soup very easy for the children to enjoy. If you look to my water, you will see some of those particles that is floating on top. I will wash it until none of them is there because they are not part of my fish. Okay, they are very clean now. I'll go over to blend my achi and crayfish. Yeah, here I've already blended the first one. It should be smooth like this. And I'll blend the second one. Do you know that oha soup have so many health benefits? Oha soup is good for weight loss. You know, when we are growing up, after eating oha soup, the next day, I will feel very fine after going to number 2. I didn't know. Now studying it, I've seen it have a lot of good benefits. Yes, it helps in weight loss, just like bitter leaf, eforiro, and other citric fruits. So here I will be adding oil to the pot and then my fish. I add 150 ml of oil. Yes, you can add more if you want. This particular oil I am using is very nice. Once you add a little of it, it brightens the food. So I add more water depending on the consistency of your soup. So I won't be adding the whole achi now. I won't be adding all of them. I just added the whole crayfish. I'll stir them to avoid them getting lumpy in one area. So I'm stirring them to be well combined before I go ahead and add the achi. So as I was saying before, this oha leaf has a lot of health benefits. You need to try them. Here is the ogiri. Yes, the native maggi. Once you put it in there, the kitchen will change aromatic dancing step. Cover it. I will allow it to boil before I will touch it again. So this oha leaf, we enjoy it so much, maybe with achi, with cocoyam, with ofo, with okra, with egusi. You can enjoy it with whatever you want. So this is how we cut it. You pick it in your hand and cut it. The oha leaf suffered a little heat, but it doesn't matter. It was very nice. It was very nice. So I cut it like this, and everything have boiled up. But the ogiri, I checked it. The consistency is not okay for me. Remember, I still have achi that I didn't add. All of them. So now that I check it, I'm now going to add all of them. That is 125 gram of achi, unblended one. That is what I use for this soup. Thank you so much. If you are still watching to this extent, I really appreciate. The soup is ready. You have tried. Just bring your swallow. I will be using fufu to eat this swallow. Yes. I will use akpu to eat it. So the recipe of how I made the akpu is coming soon. Yes. So add more salt and seasoning cubes if you feel or you taste and it needed. So I've added. This is very nice. I really enjoyed it. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I really appreciate your support, your likes, your comments, your subscription. Thank you, and also for sharing the video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So I'll go ahead and introduce the oha leaf and stir them properly to combine, and after that I won't cook it less than or more than 1 minute. No, I'll cook it less than 1 minute because we want it to be fresh and greenish when we are eating it. Thank you so much once again. Until my next video, enjoy. Bye.